Handstand Pose or Adho Mukha Vrksasana is one of the most challenging balancing asanas in yoga. This name is derived from Sanskrit Adho meaning downward, Mukha meaning facing, and Vrksasana meaning tree pose. It is named as such because it is an inversion of tree pose. Rather than balancing on the feet and lifting the arms to the sky, the practitioner balances on the hands and lifts the feet. To perform Adho Mukha Vrksasana, the torso and tailbone extend upward with the arms and legs strong so that the body balances firmly on the hands. This advanced posture builds a sense of physical equilibrium and confidence. The yogi balances on their hands using the strength of their core and arms. Begin in down facing dog pose with the hands shoulder distance apart, fingers spread wide. Exhale, walk the feet toward the hands until the torso is almost vertical. Keep the eyes in between the hands. As you inhale, shift the weight onto the hands, raising through the heels and pushing through the shoulders. Strongly engage onto the abdominal muscles. And keep the arms as straight as you can without squeezing the shoulders. Inhale, raise one leg up with the toes actively stretched towards the sky as the hands push down into the floor. Exhale, the bottom leg spring up and find balance on the hands. This may take a couple of attempts until you're successful balancing on the hands. Keep one leg up to the ceiling and one leg parallel to the floor. This would be a good start for a beginner. In this position, the arms, the spine, and the top leg is one straight line. The abdominals are strongly engaged and the arms are pushing through. Breathe while holding the pose. Exhale, lower one leg down at a time back to down facing dog. Upon successful on the first step, the next step, attempt to bring both legs together with the toes pointing strongly towards the sky. With the shoulders right over your wrist, inhale, raise one leg up to the sky. Exhale, the bottom leg spring up until successful attempts to bring both legs together and balancing with the arms. During this time, keep in mind that you have to place your head in between your upper arms, pushing firmly from the hands, lifting through the shoulders. Abdominals are strongly engaged, and the toes are pointing strongly towards the ceiling. Keep looking on a specific point at the floor. Remain in position for as long as comfortable and breathe slowly. To release, lower one leg down at a time and come to your early stage. Practicing toe tapping towards the forearm before attempting Adho Mukha Vrksasana helps to improve the sense of balance and increase the shoulders stability and strengthen the core muscles. In this practice, the hands are clawing firmly into the mat and the weight is shifting towards the arms. Beginners can practice Adho Mukha Vrksasana with a wall support, coming down onto your hands and knees with the feet at the wall. When you inhale, press up onto your toes. Keep your hands as wide as your shoulder width. Exhale, walk the feet up until the hips coming to a 90-degree angle. In this half handstand, the body is in L shape. The spine and the arms are straight to the floor and the legs are parallel to the floor. Breathe while holding the pose. The next attempt, lift one leg up to the sky while one foot is pressing against the wall. After a few breaths, change the legs. To release, lower one leg down to the floor at a time, coming back onto the hands and knees. Second level for beginners practicing with the support of the wall in Adho Mukha Vrksasana The back will face the wall. As they kick up, the feet will rest on the wall. Coming onto your hands and knees, keep your hands about one palm distance away from the wall. Inhale, press up onto down facing dog. Exhale, walk the feet closer towards your hands. Inhale, raise one leg up to the ceiling. And with momentum, exhale, kick your leg up to the wall until successful attempt to bring both legs touching the wall. While kicking up, shift the hips on top of the shoulders. This will easily bring the feet to the wall. To prevent the spine from arching in Adho Mukha Vrksasana, make sure the hips are not touching the wall, just the heels. Upon gaining stability on the arms and the spine, slowly release one leg out from the wall and find balance to bring the other leg together into a full handstand. Attempt a few times until successful to bring legs together with toes pointing strongly towards the ceiling. And at the same time, engage the abdominal muscles strongly. To release, place the feet on the wall and slowly lower down the legs one at a time to the ground and move into child pose to allow the head to gain back its normal pressure. This straddle press handstand is an advanced level skill that requires a tremendous amount of strength, balance, flexibility, and coordination. Next, practice handstand jumping up with the bent knees. This practice requires a lot of abdominal and hip flexor control as well as balance. Keep your eyes gaze forward near your fingertips without any strain in the neck. Slowly, jump up with the knees bent and press legs together to midline, with toes pointing strongly towards the ceiling. Breathe while holding the pose.